Well friends, here is problem number 42. Before going to the problem, I will read the given direction. In the questions below, the numbers in the figures are related. Identify their relationship and find the missing numbers in the given figures. So we have to find missing number. So here is the question. This is given figure and this contains some numbers. And these numbers are related with some logic. So we have to find that logic and use that logic here to find this missing number. So how I can get this 72 by using this surrounding numbers, that is 36, 6, 4, 2. How can I get 72 by using these surrounding numbers? So use trial and error technique. Okay, use addition, use subtraction, use multiplication or division and try to get this 72. So one way of getting this is, what I will do, I will take this 36 and I will take this number. Okay, 36 and this 4. Okay, 36 divided by 4 will give me 4 ones are 4 nines are. So this gives me 9. Okay, now what I will do, I will take these two numbers. First I have taken these 36 and 4 and then 36 divided by 4 and then I got as 9. And now I will consider these two numbers 6 and 2. So what I will do, I will add these two numbers. So what I will get, 6 plus 2, I will get 8. So now if you multiply this 9 with this 8, what you get? Yes, you are going to get 9 into 8. You are going to get 72. So this is, yes, 72. So this is how I obtained this 72 by using the surrounding numbers. So first 36 divided by 4, I got it as 9 and then added 6 and 2, I got it as 8 and then I multiplied both the numbers 9 and 8 and I got 72, which is the number present, yes, at the center of the circle. Now I will use the same technique here. If it works good, then I can use here to get the missing number. So what I will do, I will consider the numbers surrounding this 80. Okay, 24, 6, 3, 4. So what I will do, 24. Then I have to divide this number by, yes, this. I have to divide this 24 by 3. So what is 3 ones are 3? 3 8s are. 3 8s are will give you 24. So I got it as 8. Now, next step is, you have to add these two numbers, 6 and 4. So what is 6 plus 4? 6 plus 4 will give you, yes, it is 10. Next step is, you have to multiply these two numbers. That is 8 into 10. 8 into 10 will give you 80. Is it? Yes, that is the number 80. So this is how we obtain the middle number or the number which is present at the center of the circle by using the surrounding numbers. So this comes only with the practice. You may ask me how I got the idea that these two numbers are divided and these two numbers are added and then the resultant obtained, multiplied and got the number which is at the center. So this comes only with the practice. If you practice more number of problems, you are going to get the idea behind the given figures or given numbers. Now using this technique, here you can get this missing number. So what I will do, I will consider surrounding numbers. Surrounding numbers are, yes, 48, 12, 8, 4. So first I will take 48 and then I have to divide this 48 by 8. Okay. 8 ones are 8, 6 are. I will get 6. So 6 I got. Now next is, you have to add these two numbers, 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is, 12 plus 4 is, yes, 12 plus 4 is 16. Now I got it as 16. Next step is, you have to multiply these two numbers. 6 into 16. What is 6 into 16? If you know 6 into 16, it is good. If you don't know, use split and merge technique. Split and merge technique is, you can write 6 into 16 as 6 into 10 plus 6 into 6. Now what is 6 into 10? It is 60. What is 6 into 6? It is 36. 60 plus 36 will give you 96. You can use split and merge technique, or you can directly know that 6 into 16. If you by hearted with the 16 table, you can directly answer what is 6 into 16, that is 96. So I will get 96. Next step is, yes, you have to just cross check which option is having 96. That option will be the right option. Now moving to options. First option is 108. Wrong. Second is 96. So this is exactly matching with our answer. So this is the right option. So this is how we solve this example. This comes only with the practice. If you practice more number of problems, definitely you are going to get the idea behind the given numbers or figures as given in this example. Okay, now I will move to next problem.